Welcome back to Warbirds, the channel where we uncover the most iconic aircraft and unmanned systems that have reshaped modern warfare. Today, we set our sights on one of the most advanced and recognizable drones in the world, the MQ-9 Reaper, also known as the Predator B. This isn't just a drone, it's a symbol of how warfare, surveillance, and precision strike have changed in the 21st century. When people hear the word drone, many picture something small, buzzing over a backyard. But the MQ-9 Reaper is in an entirely different class. This is a remotely piloted aircraft system, engineered by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems in the United States. Its design traces back to the legacy of the MQ-1 Predator, which first took flight in the mid-1990s. While the Predator was revolutionary for its time, the Reaper represents a massive leap forward in capability, endurance, and mission flexibility. At first glance, the Reaper is striking. With a wingspan of over 66 feet, a streamlined fuselage, and a rear-mounted turboprop engine, it looks more like a sleek glider than the small quadcopters most people associate with drones. But don't be fooled by its graceful appearance. This machine was designed for persistence, staying in the air for more than 24 hours at a time. That endurance means it can cover vast distances, monitor regions continuously, and remain on station long after traditional aircraft have to return to base. One of the most significant features of the MQ-9 is its role as a multi-mission platform. It's not limited to one purpose. The Reaper excels at intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, known in military circles as ISR. With its sophisticated cameras and sensors, it can scan terrain in incredible detail, track movements, and provide real-time intelligence to commanders thousands of miles away. But what truly sets the Reaper apart is its reputation as a hunter-killer platform. It is capable of carrying precision munitions, which allow it to conduct strikes against selected targets with accuracy that minimizes collateral damage compared to older methods. This dual role, watching and striking, has made it one of the most talked about unmanned aircraft in modern conflicts. Over the past 2 decades, the MQ-9 Reaper has been deployed in multiple regions, from the Middle East to Africa, performing missions that range from counterterrorism to border security. Its presence in the skies has often been controversial, sparking global debates about the ethics of drone warfare. Supporters argue that drones like the Reaper reduce the risk to pilots, extend operational reach, and allow for precise engagements. Critics, on the other hand, raise concerns about civilian casualties, accountability, and the psychological effects of drones constantly circling overhead. Regardless of where one stands on that debate, there is no denying the Reaper's impact. It has fundamentally altered the way militaries think about air power. No longer is it just about fast jets, heavy bombers, or attack helicopters. Now, an unmanned aircraft, operated from thousands of miles away, can carry out missions once reserved only for manned platforms. Technologically, the MQ-9 is constantly evolving. Newer upgrades focus on improved sensors, extended range, better data links, and even the possibility of semi-autonomous operations in the future. As more nations develop their own long-endurance drones, the Reaper remains a benchmark, the aircraft others are often compared against. For the United States and its allies, the MQ-9 has become more than just a weapon or a tool, it's part of a broader strategy of maintaining persistent presence in critical regions. And for adversaries, its silhouette in the sky has become both a warning and a reminder of how modern surveillance and strike capabilities have transformed the battlefield. As we look ahead, the role of drones like the Reaper will only grow. Future conflicts will likely see them operating in swarms, teaming with manned aircraft, and even defending against other drones. The MQ-9 may not always dominate the skies as it once did, but its legacy is already secure. It showed the world that pilotless aircraft could be not just useful, but central to 21st century military power. So the next time you hear about drones changing the face of modern warfare, remember this name, the MQ-9 Reaper, the Predator B. A silent hunter, a constant watcher, and a symbol of how the age of unmanned flight has truly arrived. This has been Warbirds, bringing you the stories of the machines that shape our skies and our world. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the MQ-9 Reaper, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more episodes on the aircraft and drones that define air power today.